Good morning, students of class 3. We are going to start with lesson 2, The Fortunate Peddler. Now, most of you might have read the lesson, The Fortunate Peddler. It's a story about a peddler who believes in his dreams and he gets lucky, and then he gets a chest of treasures. So what, first of all, underline this fortunate word and then the peddler. Fortunate is someone who is very lucky, जिसको आप हिंदी में किस्मत वाला बोलते हो कि बहुत किस्मत वाला है, उसकी किस्मत बहुत अच्छी है. In English we call it fortunate. Peddler is a person who goes on foot selling small goods. जो पैदल चलता है और छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बेचता है, सम टॉयज, क्लोथ्स, फूड और सम आर्टिकल्स, उसको हम कहते हैं पेडलर. इन हिंदी आप उसको रेडी वाला भी बोलते हो, जो रेडी लेके आपकी कॉलोनी में कुछ बेचने आता है. इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल इट पेडलर. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ अ पेडलर who believes in his dream, and then he travels to London Bridge, and there he gets a good news, and he gets the treasure, the chest of treasure from his own house. So before reading the chapter, first of all we will talk about dreams. Now आप रात को सोते हो, आपको कभी कभी बीच में सपने आते हैं जो आपका माइंड, जो आपका ब्रेन रिवाइंड कर रहा है जब आप सो रहे हो. एट दैट टाइम जो आपको जो भी चीज़ें दिखती है, दैट इज ड्रीम. उसको हम ड्रीम बोलते हैं. whenever you sleep during the day or night, these dreams appear in your mind, appear in your sleep. So sometimes you dream some happy things, sometimes you dream about sad things. फिर आप रोते हुए उठते हो, कभी कभी बहुत अच्छा ड्रीम होता है, कभी बहुत डरावना ड्रीम होता है. So dreams are of different kinds. So the story is about the dream of a peddler. This is a popular English folk tale. It tells us about a peddler who believes in his dream. It is a popular English folk tale. It is from the country of England. पिछली वाली जो हमने स्टोरी की थी, the lesson 1, King Midas story, it was the myth from the country of Greece. Now this is the story from the country Britain, England. It is a folk tale. What is a folk tale? Underline this, folk tale. What is a folk tale? Folk, tradition, tale, story. So folk tale, it is carried out from generation to generation. मतलब आपके पिछले जनरेशन से जनरेशन टू जनरेशन स्टोरीज जो आपको बताई जाती है, मॉरल स्टोरीज, दीज आर ऑल फोक टेल्स. दीज आर ऑल फोक टेल्स. इट कैन बी ट्रू, ये सच भी हो सकती है और ये मिथ भी हो सकती है. मिथ मतलब ये सच भी है या फिर ये सच नहीं भी हो सकती है. इट कैन नॉट बी ट्रू ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी अनट्रू ऑल्सो. क्या पता ये ऐसे भी होती है दैट सम पीपल दे बिल्ड अप अ स्टोरी एंड देन दिस स्टोरी it goes on generation to generation. Understood? So this is the story about the peddler who used to live in Norfolk, England. So hundreds of years ago there lived a peddler in a place called Norfolk in England. He went from one place to another selling things. One day the peddler told his wife, "Last night I had a dream. It is strange that I have been having the same dream for the past week." Now this peddler is telling his wife that last night I had a dream. So he is saying कि मुझे पिछली रात एक सपना आया था. I had a dream and it was strange. Underline strange. Strange here means it is something which is very unusual. Unusual मतलब जो चीज़ें रोज़ रोज़ होती है उससे कुछ अलग हुआ. ऑड. ओके, ऑड. जो चीज़ें रोज़ रोज़ होगी उससे कुछ अलग, कुछ ऐसा हुआ, उसको हम बोलते हैं स्ट्रेंज. समथिंग वेरी स्ट्रेंज, जिसको आप बोलते हैं कुछ अजीब. इन हिंदी यू कॉल इट कि कुछ ऐसा अजीब हुआ. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्ट्रेंज. सो ही इज सेइंग दैट लास्ट नाइट आई हैड अ ड्रीम. It is स्ट्रेंज, इट इज़ वेरी स्ट्रेंज, बहुत अजीब है. क्यों स्ट्रेंज है? बिकॉज इट इज़, आई एम हैविंग द ड्रीम फ्रॉम पास्ट वीक, मतलब पिछले कुछ हफ्तों से मुझे वही सेम ड्रीम बार बार आ रहा है. सो दिस वॉज अ स्ट्रेंज थिंग अबाउट दैट ड्रीम. वॉट डिड यू ड्रीम ऑफ? अब इसकी वाइफ उससे पूछती है. द वाइफ आस्क्स, वॉट डिड यू ड्रीम ऑफ? आपको क्या सपना आया, किस बारे में आया आपको? वॉट डिड यू ड्रीम ऑफ? सो द पेडलर सेज ही हैड हर्ड अ वॉइस इन हिज ड्रीम. उसने अपने सपने में एक आवाज़ सुनी. he heard a he heard a voice in his dream. every time the voice repeated, मतलब every time the voice repeated, जब भी वो रात को सोने जा रहा है उसको एक ही सपना बार बार आ रहा है. the voice repeated, if you stand on the London Bridge you will hear good news. तो वो जो वॉइस है वो बार बार एक ही चीज़ कह रहा है. क्या कह रहा है? if you stand on the London Bridge you will get a good news, you will hear a गुड न्यूज़. आप जब जाओगे लंदन ब्रिज में, वहाँ जाके खड़े हो जाओगे, यू विल गेट अ गुड न्यूज़. सो एट फर्स्ट द पेडलर डिड नॉट बॉदर टू गो टू लंदन. जब उसको पहली बार ऐसा कुछ आया सपना, उसको बार बार ये ड्रीम आ रही है, तो उसने सोचा इट इज़ यूजलेस देयर स्टैंडिंग देयर. ओके, इट इज़ यूजलेस स्टैंडिंग देयर इन द लंदन ब्रिज. वहाँ जाके इतनी दूर जाकर के क्या करना है? So it was difficult for him. Why it was difficult for him? Because he was very poor and London Bridge उसके घर से बहुत दूर था. The London Bridge was too far from his own house, from his own village. So it was useless and very difficult for him to go to London. So he would have to walk a long way to reach there. जो मैंने आपको बताया कि वो बहुत दूर था, प्लस उसको मनी भी चाहिए थी. बिकॉज ही नीडेड मनी. आप जब ट्रैवल करते हो आपको पैसों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, टिकट लेना है, खाना खरीदना है बीच में, इजंट इट? सो इसके लिए वो एक बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ थी. इट वॉज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट थिंग फॉर द पेडलर. ही वुड हैव टू स्लीप अंडर ट्रीज अलॉन्ग द वे, बट द ड्रीम परसिस्टेड. परसिस्टेड मीन्स इट कंटिन्यूड. ड्रीम कंटिन्यूड, उसको ड्रीम आने लगा, उसको कंटिन्यूसली वो ड्रीम आने लग गया विदाउट स्टॉपिंग, दैट गो स्टैंड देयर इन द लंदन ब्रिज एंड यू विल हियर अ गुड न्यूज़. सो पेडलर गॉट अपसेट. नाउ पेडलर को क्या हुआ? ही गॉट अपसेट. वो परेशान होने लग गया क्योंकि उसको सेम ड्रीम बार बार आ रहा है. द सेम ड्रीम कंटिन्यूसली ही इज ड्रीमिंग अबाउट दैट वॉइस. सो ही कॉल्ड आउट टू हिज वाइफ. अब उसने क्या बोला? ही कॉल्ड आउट टू हिज वाइफ एंड सेड, I must go to London and stand on the bridge, otherwise I will have no peace. So he says that I should go to London and stand on the bridge, otherwise मुझे शांति नहीं मिलेगी. I will have no peace because this dream is continuously coming to me and I am upset now. So he said that finally I have to go to London. Let me see what happens. अगर ये ड्रीम सच है, let me see what happens there. The peddler packed a few things, food and some money. He walked all the way and reached the London Bridge. The London Bridge was a busy place. There were houses and shops on either side. Just like Kalka, आप जब Kalka market जाते हो, Kalka market is very busy place because people are moving, vehicles are moving, shops है, घर है. So same way London Bridge was a busy place. Every day the peddler stood on the bridge, but no one spoke to him or gave him a good news. So now when peddler reached the bridge, he stood there in there, and then every day he will stand there and he will wait for someone to give him good news, as the dream said. Okay, so he felt like fool for having gone there. Still he waited with hope. जब ऐसा हुआ वो काफ़ी दिन तक खड़ा रहा, no one gave him any good news, so he felt, ये तो मैंने बेवकूफ़ा हरकत कर दी है. क्या किया? That I went all the way from Norfolk to London Bridge. इतनी दूर मैं आ गया and no one is giving me any good news. So he was feeling like a fool. मैं बेवकूफ़ की तरह यहाँ पे खड़ा हूँ. He was feeling like a fool and still he had hope. But still उसको एक उम्मीद थी कि कोई ना कोई कुछ ना कुछ आके उसको गुड न्यूज़ ज़रूर देगा. He had hope that someone will come and will give him a good news. One day he had no food or money left. Now whatever food, money he brought, वो सब खत्म हो गया. Now it was all finished, so he was all empty. He decided to return home. So what did he now decide? That I should return home. There is no good news for me. I should return home. Just then, when he was about to return, just then a shopkeeper came out of his shop. Now that shopkeeper, वो काफी दिन से देख रहा था that this person, peddler, is standing there. He buy nothing, he eat nothing, and then also he stood there. So this thing the shopkeeper was observing. वो ये चीज देख रहा था. So now he came and he asked him, please tell me something. The shopkeeper inquired. Underline this, inquired. Inquired means he asked. He asked for some information. He asked, I have seen you here for many days. You do not buy or sell anything. Why do you stand here? Now he is asking that why do you stand here? तुम यहाँ पे क्यों खड़े होते हो? तो nothing you do. आप कुछ सामान भी नहीं बेचते हो, आप कुछ खाते नहीं हो, आप कुछ खरीदते नहीं हो. Nothing you do and you stand here. Why do you stand here? So the peddler told. So the peddler told him about his dream. उसने अपने सपने के बारे में बताया that every day I get this dream that if you stand on the London Bridge you will have a good news. So after hearing that, this man started laughing. This man started laughing. वो हंसने लग गया. उसने बोला, you should not believe in these kinds of dream. आपको सपने में विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not believe in all these kinds of dream. He said, never believe in dreams. He said, I too keep having a dream. He said, मुझे भी एक सपना बहुत आता है. I too keep having a dream. And the voice says, insists. Underline this, voice insists. Here it means says firmly. मतलब इतनी श्योरिटी से, इतनी firmly जो voice है वो मुझे कहती है. What does this voice says? That I must go to a place called Norfolk. I must find a peddler's house there. If I dig under the oak tree in his garden, I will find treasure. Okay, so he is saying that I get this dream that the voice firmly says, voice इतनी surety के साथ कहती है कि you should go to the place called Norfolk. You have to go there. There is a peddler. Go to his house, go to his garden, dig under the oak tree, and you will get a treasure. So he said that this is all nonsense. He said, I don't believe in dreams. तो ऐसा कुछ बोलते हैं that कि तुम वहाँ जाओ and then you dig under the oak tree and you will get the treasure. So he said that it is all nonsense. This is rubbish. बकवास है. सब बकवास है. सब आपको अपने dreams पे विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. Even now he says that why this is nonsense. Even if I make the long journey to Norfolk, he says, अगर मैं इतनी long journey करके Norfolk जाऊँगा, I am sure I will not find anything there. He says, मुझे पता है, sure पता है that I will not get anything there. So forget the dream and go home. So he says to the peddler, forget about the dream and go home. So now what happens? On hearing this, Norfolk place का नाम सुन के peddler, this peddler got so much excited. उसको क्या पता लगा, ये तो इसकी बात कर रहा है, that this is the peddler. वो क्योंकि वो peddler है and he lives in Norfolk. So what happened? On hearing this, peddler hurried home to Norfolk. He went to his garden. Then he began digging under the oak tree. He soon found a chest. Chest means a box, a wooden box full of gold coins. Now he was no longer poor. He lived happily for the rest of his life. Now what happened? What was the good news which this peddler got was this, that go home and dig under the oak tree in your garden and you will get the chest full of treasures. इसको पूरा खजाना बोलते हैं, आप हिंदी में बोलते हो ना, that खजाना, the treasure is full of precious stones, metals, money. Okay, this is called treasure. So he got this good news. Now it is said that he had a statue made. Who? The peddler had a statue made of himself with his pack on his back. The statue showed him walking towards the London Bridge, the place where he had heard the good news. The place where he had the good news. The good news was this. So after reading to this story we get this value that what you should do, you should keep on trying for good. I'm not telling you to believe in your dreams, but what you should do, you should act means आपको बैठ के सोचते नहीं रहना चाहिए, आपको एक्ट करना चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड. सो इफ अगर ये शॉपकीपर अपने ड्रीम्स को सीरियसली लेकर के एक्ट करता, इफ ही वुड हैव गॉन टू नॉर्फॉक, ही वुड हैव गॉट दैट treasure instead of the peddler. Okay, instead of the peddler. So this story teaches you the value of action. You should act. Whatever you think or whatever you dream about of becoming or dream about of doing something good, you should first act. Dream, okay, first you dream and then you should act means आपको उस चीज़ पे एक्शन लेना चाहिए कि मुझे अपना काम किस तरीके से करना चाहिए. So this is the value which you have got from this story. Thank you so much, children.